Has anybody had a better 6 weeks than Cristiano Ronaldo and Pepe? I'm thinking no. The Portugal and Real Madrid teammates lifted the first major trophy for their country just 43 days after winning the Champions League final. Yeah, sure, Ronaldo left the match with a knee injury after just 25 minutes, but Pepe made sure Portugal had his back, telling reporters after the match, "When he said he couldn't go on, I told my teammates we had to win it for him." Despite leaving the game with an injury, I'm sure Ronaldo is a pretty happy guy right now.